encourage the academic welfare of students and also to create a platform where the students can also interact with key professional industry players in the field of engineering. It started, I tend to think, when engineering department in University of Nairobi started. It goes way back because we tend to meet many engineers who tell us that they were part of CASA during their time in school.
Tell us about your experience. You're currently a fifth year and a female at that. So tell us about your progress in this school and how your experiences in the past 5 years have been.
When I came in, I was not sure I wanted to do engineering. But as the time goes by, you tend to start liking the course. And there are many, you'll notice that.
Breathing, breathe out. You can say the number of increase in the number of women taking up engineering roles, and also on a personal level. What have been your experiences? So what have been your experiences in the past 5 years in the School of Engineering?
The School of Engineering, the number of female have increased since I came in. When I came in, we were around 20 and some dropped out, some of the female dropped out. But as we continue, as we keep going on, the female students have kept on increasing and we are quite a number now. And you'd realize that before, the men were not very inviting to us ladies, but seeing that they actually voted me in to be the chair lady of Engineering Students Association, I think they've started embracing that we are getting into the field and it's no longer just a male field. And in fact, in fact, the previous chairperson of ESA was also a lady. So it's becoming a corset in your career.
What has been your experience as an ESA chair?
It's not been easy. I've been in office for slightly 5 months now, and it's not quite easy. Our greatest challenge is actually having a plan or an event plan and watching the event actually go through, because we do not have much financial basis, and so we actually have to go out and look for the money to actually make the event work. Also getting the industry players to support us in this, because as we may see that students of late have become, with the many strikes that keep going on, they feel like they're not, we may not be
As in, what you can add is industries don't want to like come on board now at university level, because they feel that at the end of the day again they take you out there and train you from scratch. As in, yeah, they're like, they don't really want to come on board as much, because they feel when you go out there you ain't fully
half-baked.
Want to polish you as well.
question.
What was the question?
Yeah, what am I answering? How has it been since
Yes,
I came
yes.
to office?
So your experience as a chef.
So how's my experience been? It's not been a smooth ride. I've been in office for around 5 months now, and it's not as easy as you expect. But when you come in and you know that you're in for this for a reason, you really want to go through it. especially when it comes to corporate partnership with the industry players, we find it difficult for them to actually form a partnership with us because I think they feel that as much as they can train us now, once we are out, they still have to go through the training process again. So they'd rather wait for us to come out and then do the training process. However, since the previous years, I feel like more industry players are actually coming in. There are some that actually give us projects and tell us to undertake it and do it by the time we're out. They give us the financial aid, they give us anything that we need. And by the time we're out, we have done projects and so on. So they're the ups and downs, pros and cons.
Finally, what are the future plans for ISA?
Our future plans, we are trying to get all students to participate in all our events. We don't have such a large turnout comparing to the number of students we have in engineering. Maybe half of them come. So we're trying to get them to all come for the events in a team building way. We want us to, because you'd realize that our students are more academic. You come to school and do your thing and you go home, but we want them to join things that could bring up team building between us. So like at the moment, we're having an ESA tournament. So the students come, play against each other, but at the same time you also get to know each other. We're also trying to bring in more networking events so that they can get time to meet the key industry players and ask them how they got there and what they can do to get there. Our biggest plan is to have an innovation week so that the students can showcase the innovation that they have, that they probably put under the bed and showcase it to industries, and maybe from there they can get to work with the industries to make the innovation big.
That's it. Yes. Cheers. Thank you.